Hey friends, if you wish to fix PCI Express root port error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first resolution is to update the root port drivers manually. And the third one is to reinstall the chipset driver. So I thought about it for once. Why can we not just install optional updates on our computer? Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Advanced Options. Select Optional Updates, and if any optional updates are available, then install them. Other than this, click on Check for Updates. The next solution is to run a system file checker scan. So, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.